heart grew just to die. And now you're damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry.
Who are you?
No more. Just let her walk out.
Who's it? And what's your name?
Baby, don't cry. No more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh.
Hey Zithandwa, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nomzamo Ngwane. If you're a regular, thank you so much for dropping back by. But if you're new, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of my family. This is a new vlog. Today is Friday, it's the 2nd of September. It's gonna be a weekend vlog. It's going to be a typical weekend without my nanny. So basically it's gonna be a very hectic weekend. I'm actually refilming this intro because I don't like the background, so this is a retake. Okay, all right, I'm enjoying my iced coffee here, and yeah, I'm here to open this vlog. There's so much that I wanted to do actually today. I wanted to wake up early, film videos, because I am so ahead of my schedule. I decided not to do it. I'm honestly way ahead. Like, I'm sure you'll see this video on the 20 something of September, because my videos, I'm talking about YouTube, right? I'm ahead of my schedule. I've released 2 videos in a week now, and I have videos scheduled up until the 14th of September. And today is the 2nd of September, so that's why I decided not to do a sit-down video. So because it's pointless, when will I upload it? I don't have to put that much pressure on myself. So I thought I'll just vlog instead this weekend, although you only see this video on like after the 14th of September, because I already have a video for the 14th. So yeah. Did you guys see how cute Esset looked? Today, Eskolin Sabo, they're having that. Today's Friday. Like I'm saying, imminently it's a weekend off. She's going home. She's going to go home in a couple of hours. And it's just going to be the kids and us. Esset, they have a character book dress up day today. So she's Princess Elsa. I'm going to put pictures of her here because she looks super cute. I did a good job. Plus my baby's naturally beautiful, right? Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to open the vlog because I won't get a chance to open it once minute goes because Junior drives me insane. Let's say it drives me insane. Yeah.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from.
He was playing YouTuber Celine. You want to sleep? Where's the food? What's the land?
You take it all night. Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Girl, show me how you jigger.
Pick it up. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time.
Baba. Papa.
Usidi? Akafuni ukuthi ngimfunze phela Nkosi yami. Oh, buka ilo, igogo zonke izilwane. Gogo. Gogo.
Papa.
Ababi nkulu.
Papa.
Akubabi.
Papa.
Apapapa. Uthi apapapa. Apapapa. Hey. Apapapa.
Mama Buga.
Ha?
Look there.
When we post la pa?
Control me. I'm changing.
Oh.
Mama, I got in the angel.
We're committed to offering affordable and
I'm going for long. Lekker, lezen sind so eine
What's wrong? Good.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest. 'Cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't.
Good morning, Zitando Zami. It's another day of the vlog. I am making breakfast. I've already fed my kids cereal, but when I make breakfast I also make for them, so they'll just nibble in it, and then later on when they're hungry in about an hour or two, then I'll probably feed them, because we like sitting together as a family eating on one table. So yeah, I'm not going to show you the process of me making breakfast. I'm making eggs, Russians, fried chips, and I think I'm going to make baked beans as well. Yeah, but I will show you the final product. Today we're planning on spending time in the pool because it's spring. So my husband was cleaning it last night. I think it should be ready because we have been neglecting our pool during winter. But hubby says it looks clean now. So later on today, we'll chill by the pool and swim. I don't think I'm gonna swim though, because like I said, I still feel fluey, but yeah, we'll see. Welcome to another day of this vlog.
Could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through? Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Yeah. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? Everything is seen. I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through?
How can I believe
Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe?
My helper Junior, no, you go sit here clean. Manje ziya place ngafafeze lapha. Utoti fawuya lapha ngase kitchen nje mama.
I'm taking more food from here.
No.
You there is trouble.
Yeah?
I don't know how to read my book
Why you don't know?
because I don't know the letters.
You belong with the fairies. No matter what I say, it's black or white, not gray.
It says tidy. Yo, guys, can you believe that I only just took a shower now and the time is 20 to 4? Right now I just want to go to bed. I'm tired. I think I want to sleep a bit, take a nap or something, but I still need to make my bed because my husband has been sleeping the whole day. He gets up, he goes to the lounge, he leaves the bed as it is. Men really hate us, eh? So I need to go make the bed and like tidy up our room and then take a bit of a nap. He also needs to take Junior for a haircut because it's due for a haircut. I think when they're gone, I'll get like an hour nap proper.
Mama, I just want to stay.
Clean your room. Can you see how tidy your room is, please? What's Ketlema? Kulelani Kuloma? Atanya kunda na wabili.
See you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day.
Zami, I'm here to close the vlog. Or before I do, we ended up not chilling by the pool or even swimming because the weather disappointed us. It was quite cold. It got cold in the afternoon. So yeah, but now it's quite late. I think it's about 7 p.m. I want to get into bed, take some medication because the flu is real. And also June in the background is fussy. So thank you so much for watching my hectic weekend vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't. Love you guys so much. Bye.